Course pathway editing is an advanced feature. Although most teachers do not use this, it is quite a valuable tool. The pen icon indicates an editing option. By clicking on the icon, you will find a list of course pathways. The one generated by the latest spelling ability test is highlighted. You can edit this, again by clicking on the pen icon, which enables you to add or remove units. You can delete the current course pathway and activate a previous one. You can create a completely new custom course pathway for a student by clicking the plus sign, and then selecting the required units. You can also set the test reset for them. There are a number of pathway templates available, allowing you to assign students to work on specific sections or units. Most teachers prefer to let Spellzone generate course pathways since it saves them time, but this editing capability is available should you need it in the future.